Jai Narayan student, today we discuss for a chapter 3rd drainage. First of all, lecture 1 discuss. You have already discussed, but first of all revision and now the next topic start. Now see, what is drainage? The drainage means the term of drainage describe the river system of an area, and the world largest drainage basin is of Amazon river in South America. And water divide means any elevated area such as mountain or an upland separate to drainage basin is called a water divider. For example, Ambala is located on the water divided of Indus and Ganga drainage basin. And what is the drainage basin? The area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. And last point, the river system, a river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. And example for tributaries, the Indus river system, and several tributaries like the Jaskar, Nubra or join it in the Kashmir region. Okay, now next point. This lecture also one. You have already discussed the drainage system in India, the Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Now see, this is a differentiate between the Himalayan river and peninsular river. These rivers originate from the glacier and these river originate from the plateau. And this river is a very large and this is very small and high erosion activity, and it is the low erosion activity. It is a very useful irrigation, it is not very useful irrigation, and it is a perennial, it is non-perennial. Example Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and example Narmada, Godavari. Now first of all, ki Himalayan river, ki most of the Himalayan rivers are the perennial, which means they have a water throughout the year. So these rivers receive water from rain as well as from melted and snow from the high mountains, and the Indus and the Brahmaputra are major Himalayan rivers. They originate from north of the mountain ranges, and these rivers are long and joined by many large and important tributaries. They have cut through the mountains and making gorges, and the Himalayan rivers have long courses from their sources to the sea, and these rivers perform intensive erosion activity. You have already discussed this point ki engage in a high erosion activities. Okay, so erosion activity in the upper course and the carry a huge loads or silt and sand, and these rivers from meanders, oxbow lakes and the other deposited features during their middle and lower course in the floodplains, and these rivers have well developed delta also. And but peninsular rivers, see the peninsular rivers, these are the seasonal river as their flow is dependent on rainfall during the dry season, and the large river even reduce the flow of water in their channel, and these rivers have a shorter and shallow courses as compared to the Himalayan river, and most peninsular river originate in the western Ghats and flow towards the Bay of Bengal. Example like Mahanadi, Narmada, Godavari river, etc. Whereas some rivers which originate in the central highland and flow the westernward direction in the Arabian Sea. So some features made by a river like the source of river and upper course, middle course, meanders, oxbow lake, lower course, delta. So these features all you have already discussed the previous class, and this next point. Now main rivers tributary. You all know that ki river system consists of one main river, several the small river that join the main river. Thus like example for the river Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri glacier in the Himalayan. It flows the parallel to the Ganga as a right bank tributaries. It meet the Ganga at Allahabad. Next example for again the Indus river also. The Indus river rises from the China Tibet and near the Mansarovar lake. It flows the westernwards and enters the India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. Like example for several tributaries like the Jaskar and Nubra and join in the Kashmir region. Okay, so this is the river system. Now see drainage basin, see the pictures. you have already discussed ki drainage basin, the area drained by a single river system, and see the pictures of single river system is called a drainage basin. एंड रिवर सिस्टम के हम लोग ने यू हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस मैप कि इंडस, झेलम, रावी, चिनाब, सतलुज, ब्रह्मपुत्र, गंगा, यमुना, नर्मदा, तापी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी एंड महानदी. यू हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द lecture. Now next lecture for what are lakes. What are lakes? Lakes are useful to human beings. You all know that ki lakes are useful to human beings in many ways. They are tourist destination and also used for sporting activities like boating, swimming, water sports, etc. लेक्स हमारी जो इंडिया में, इंडिया हैज़ मैनी लेक्स. देयर आर परमानेंट एज वेल एज सीजनल लेक्स. Seasonal lakes contain water only during the monsoon season. The lakes found in the inland drainage basin, semi arid regions, इस टाइप से हमारे लेक्स होते हैं. क्लियर? तो what are lakes? तो lakes are inland depressions containing standing water. See how are lakes form. lakes किस तरीके से फॉर्म होता है? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ग्लेशियर इरोजन एंड डिपोजिशन, शिफ्ट इन अर्थ क्रस्ट, craters of some extent volcano and landslide. Now see types of lake. आपके जो बुक में ओनली टाइप्स के नाम दिए हैं, जैसे ग्लेशियर लेक, ऑक्सबो लेक, बट यू आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस